Let's now take a look at the management of technical printouts that ARREDOCAD automatically creates once the project is finished. By clicking here, I can select the printouts I want. For example, I want to see the header with the project data that I entered at the beginning, the floor plan, elevations, tops and plinths, possibly elements that I have cut or with an odd shape. I can set the scale for the floor plans and elevations. If I do not set it, ARREDOCAD automatically adapts the print to the sheet size. So for example to A4 if I choose A4. Both floor plans and elevations are also available in color. So I can choose other views. For example, I could choose the render I have created. I'll press OK and press OK again. I can choose the print format, the portrait orientation, or the landscape orientation. And I can see the printouts. Then I will first have the renders, and then the floor plan in plan view with all the measurements set automatically. The single elevations, also all with measurements. The scheme of the cuts for the holes, for the sink and the hob on the top, the plinth layout and any oddly shaped element inserted. I can export these printouts in JPEG format or create a PDF with all the images. By clicking here, ARREDOCAD can also automatically create a list of all the furniture elements that I have inserted in the project. I'm going to click on Update. Here they are. At this point, I can also manually enter the prices and possibly also the codes to at least have a draft estimate. I can also have the bill of materials that I have inserted. I can set the list according to a room or the whole project. Choose a way to calculate waste and stock. And press OK. And here I will have for each room the type of floor. In this case, there are no coverings and the quantity expressed in square meters. Here too, I can enter a price if I wish. In the end, you can save the project here. To return to the project archive, I click on Open Project. And from here I can choose the project I wish to open. If I want to create a new project, I click on New Project here.